subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Oppo sub-brand Realme has launched its new gaming-centric phone in China called Realme GT Neo5 with quite interesting rear panel design that has RGB light present on it. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Realme GT Neo5 features a tall 6.74-inch AMOLED 1.5K resolution display with up to 144Hz refresh rate and up to 1500Hz of touch sampling rate support. The screen is HDR10+ certified and it has a large 93.67% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset paired with Adreno 730 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB or 1TB UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Realme GT Neo5 supports a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX890 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 112° field of view alongside the 2MP macro lens with f3.3 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with Samsung S5K 3P9 sensor. In terms of battery, the Realme GT Neo5 comes in two variants. The one comes with a large 4600 mAh battery that supports 240W ultra-fast charging, and the other model comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 150W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with Realme UI 4.0 skin on top. For gaming, the company has added GT Mode 4.0 technology for better performance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and there is Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.85 by 75.75 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme GT Neo5 has been priced in China for 240W charging model as follows. While the 150W variant is priced as follows. The smartphone will be available for purchase in black, white and purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme GT Neo5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.
Yeah.